Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making something called upside down pan apple cake. It sounds weird but it sounds delicious as well. And yeah, the ingredients are on the screen right now. And as you will notice that I put 2 sugars, like one is 1 cup of sugar, the other is 4 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure you get both of those because we use them at different times in the video. So now let's start with the butter. And then we add the sugar. And this blood sugar is caramelized. Now we shall add the apples. Now in a separate bowl we shall add the eggs and the second mixture. So after we add the eggs we add sugar, and after that we add the cinnamon. After we've mixed, we add the milk and keep mixing. Now we add the all-purpose flour to our mixture and keep mixing. Now we heat up the first mixture and then pour the second mixture onto the first mixture while they're both cooking. Now leave it to cook for a bit. It takes about 12 minutes to cook, and yep. As you can see, the cake doesn't look like much of a cake, but when we flip it upside down, it'll look more like a cake. As you can see, it looks like a cake now, and that's why it's called the upside down apple cake. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys go on to make this dish for yourself. And yeah, for more dishes, go on the screen right now and click on which dish you want. And yeah, see you guys in another video.